5 signs. It might be time to replace your roof. 1. Age of the roof. Most asphalt shingle roofs last about 20 or so years. If your roof is nearing or has exceeded this age, it may be time for a replacement, even if it appears to be in good condition from the ground. 2. Damaged or missing shingles. Shingles that are curled, cracked, or missing are clear indicators that your roof is deteriorating. This can lead to leaks and more extensive damage to the underlying structure. 3. Granules in the gutters. As shingles age, they lose granules, which often end up in your gutters. These granules protect your roof from the sun's UV rays. If you notice a significant amount of granules in your gutters, it might be time for a new roof. 4. Leaks and water damage. Water stains on your ceiling, walls, or attic are signs of a leaking roof. If you notice moisture marks, brown, yellow, or grey stains, or peeling paint, it's likely that your roof is allowing water to seep into your home. 5. Sagging roof. A sagging roof is a serious issue and usually indicates structural problems. This could be due to water damage, a failing foundation, or inadequate support. A sagging roof often requires immediate attention and likely a full replacement.